Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ayush My Life. In this video, I will tell you how to make notes for the exam. I am going to share 10 tips for making your own notes. It is a notes which we first search for exam or any other class test. Many students find reading a concept or lesson from textbook or other reference book very boring and they tend to borrow notes from friends at the last minute. But why do that when we can make our own notes? Making notes requires dedication. Believe me, it makes learning and understanding topic a lot simpler, plus writing things down could help you to remember the things. So let us begin our video. Let's talk about our tip number 1. Collect all the materials required for making notes, such as paper, pen, pencils, and all. Let's talk about our tip number 2. I would suggest you to read chapter and try making concept map related to the topic or subtopic in the chapter. It is like summarizing the topic and finding connecting link between the topics. It will help you to cover all the points in chapter so that you can't miss any topic from that chapter. Let's talk about our tip number 3. Actual process of making notes. Note down all the important concepts, definitions, shlokas. Don't just copy the lines from the textbook. We are not going to make another textbook, okay? Copy only main ideas and try to form your own sentences. Let's talk about our tip number 4. Use symbols, short statement and abbreviations while making your notes. Let's talk about our tip number 5. Try to make color coding things in your notes, such as definitions or slok with black ink, key points with red color and remaining points in blue color. Let's talk about our tip number 6. Highlight, underline or boxes. You can highlight the main points or underline important statement or circle or box the main word in that topic. Make sure that you are highlighting only important points, otherwise whole notes will be colorful. Let's talk about our tip number 7. Use diagrams, flowcharts or tree diagrams in your notes. You can use diagrams to represent your answer. You can also use flowcharts or tree diagrams while making notes. It will be easier to remember a concept with diagram rather thoroughly. So use diagrams, flowcharts and tree diagrams in notes to increase your visual memory so that you can memorize all the concept in short time. Let's talk about our tip number 8. Note all the important points along with tricks to remember them. Mnemonics or logical points, you can note them down. Let's talk about our tip number 9. Make your all notes in the exam point of view. Let's talk about our tip number 10. Framing an answer. Frame an answer in 3 parts such as introduction, main body and conclusion. Introduction could describe the whole concept in 1 or 2 lines. Main body should contain point-wise answer and conclusion will contain end of the answer. I will suggest you to make notes on rule pages. If you want to add any point, you can add page, or if you want to remove any point, you can remove it. And also, you can make your notes chapter wise, which will be easier for your learning. Our notes should include everything which is needed and should be condensed. We don't want to replicate books, so our notes should be short and concise. I hope this video will help you while making your own notes. If you like that video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe our channel Ayush My Life. Thank you.